Today, I'm going to cure that boredom and show you 5 different things you can do when you're bored. And it's done. Now all you need to do is put some useless stuff in it. There are 2 ways. There are 4 ways. Okay, yeah, that's cute, but why'd I make that? And then I made one. Guys, most fun ever. If you hate fun, hey guys, it's me. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are doing well. Who else been bored recently? Whoa, you guys too? My favorite thing to do when bored is to make little things from stuff that I have lying around. And so I thought, hold on, I can put this into one video. So today, I'm gonna cure that boredom and show you 5 different things you can do when you're bored. Okay, number 1, I will say, was inspired by this TikTok. A clay trinket dish. Hear me out. Air dry clay is just Play-Doh for adults. All you need is air dry clay, a glaze of your choice, acrylic paint. To start out, decide what kind of shape you're gonna do. I'm not gonna lie, I'm fully just gonna do this apple shape because I think it's so cute. You could also make a little star, a moon, a planet. Go ahead and mold that using a little bit of water. Nail tools, if you have any, are actually really helpful. And your hands. Best tool that there is. Once you've made that, go ahead and smooth everything out, and then once it's done, paint it, and then either using an acrylic sealant, which is what I use because it's just what I have. You can also use resin if you have that. I don't. And it's done. Now all you need to do is put some useless stuff in it, but it's not useless because it's giving a use to the dish that you've just made. Okay, thing to do when bored. Number 2 is I've seen these all over Pinterest, and I'm like, okay, yeah, that's cute, but why'd I make that? And then I made one. Guys, most fun ever. Okay, a little bit finicky, is that the word? But once it's done, I think it's really cute. So all you need is like collect some tabs from cans. This was so easy to do over Christmas because your mum buys loads of stuff that you can't have until it's Christmas, and they're all in like fancy cans, and then you just take all the tabs. That's a universal experience, I swear. And then if you have like jewelry wire, that's also helpful, but you can just use thread, embroidery thread. It does also make it look quite cute if you use different colors. And beads, it's really cute. You can make some for your friends and have like little matching ones. If you attach a ring to the top, boom, you have a key ring. You can also attach a safety pin, and then boom, you have a pin badge thing. Or guys, make your OC or your favorite characters. Only you will know based on the colors. It's like gay test, can you tell what character this is? Yes, but it's fun and it's just silly. Okay, we're having fun over here, and if you hate fun, Number 3 is upcycling clothes. Don't leave. But I do have an entire video on this if you want to check it out after. Also an entire playlist on like DIY stuff, so you could also just do that. No, but seriously, I'll just like summarize, and then if you want more in detail, you can go watch the video. I give an example of me making a new thing for each step. But basically, you can dye clothes, bleach clothes, cut up clothes, put patches on clothes, wear clothes wrong. Life is awesome. You can do whatever you want. Guys, there's no rules. Well, there's actually... yeah, there are some rules. It's a way to get yourself sunk into a project, because it's like you start cutting up a t-shirt and a hoodie, and then you come to like 30 minutes later surrounded by scraps of fabric and scissors, and you're like, why have I started this? But then you push through, and in the end it's great. Wait, they don't know. Number 4, tote bags. Accessorizing a tote bag. So I have a tote bag that I don't wear anymore, but it's really good quality, so I'm basically gonna make a new design to go on the front. There are 2 ways. There are 4 ways for number 4 that you can make a tote bag. 1, take a tote bag that already exists. Similar to the upcycling video, making patches, cutting up shapes from different fabric and sewing it on, / fabric glue if you don't like sewing, it's okay. Or cutting out a design from a t-shirt and sewing that on there, rearranging the letters and sewing that on there, or doing all that to a tote bag you can make out of a t-shirt. Bear with me. T-shirt, look at this shape, cut. So it depends on the fabric, okay though? Or what I did for my one-of-a-kind birthday collection, I made the squares, I printed on them using lino, and then I got ties that I don't wear anymore, and I made them the bag handles. Yeah, it was really fun to make, and I think they look cool too, so you could give that a go. Okay, we're at the last one. Wow, number 5. Anyone else put their hand up to the screen? Just them? Like we're in prison and... No. High five, guys. Hit your screen right now. Personalizing things. If I'm bored and I have something that isn't decked out, I will personalize it. Okay? If I own it, It's gonna be personalized. You get the idea. Stick pins on things, stick keychains on things, embroider little stars. You can add patches to bags. You do the same to hats. And I have a whole video on DIY accessories. Make a notebook. Guys, I made this. Unsure if you have seen Doctor Who or not. Let me nerd out for 5 seconds. Hold on. This was an already existing notebook, and I put cardboard over the front and like rebound it. It broke, so I had to tape it, so we could just ignore that. I've seen people cover their notebooks to personalize it with fabric. You could do that. I'm gonna speed through this for people who don't care. For Doctor Who fans, Doctor Who is my special interest, and I rewatch it almost 2 to 3 times a year. On my recent rewatch, I decided to rate and track every episode on 5 different categories, so I can find out my favorite episode, my favorite season, my favorite Doctor, my favorite writer, my favorite producer, my favorite director, etc. And just out of pure coincidence, just like in the show, how she had the right exact amount of pages that she needed for her diary, for her life, this entire book has River Song's entire life from her first appearance to her last appearance by pure coincidence. It's seasons 1 to 9, 130 episodes. The last episode in here is the return of Dr. Mysterio. It's creepy how accurate it is. If I manage to get a revolving whiteboard, there will be a Ted Nivison / Mike style video on me watching every single episode of Doctor Who from 2005. I have a spreadsheet. Sorry, that, yeah, so that derailed just a little bit, but it's my channel, so I can actually do what I want. Anyway, let's get back to it. Another way that you can personalize things, putting ribbons on shoelaces, you can put beads on shoes, and you can put stickers on shoes. Basically, shoes are an untapped market. Have fun with that. It's flashing red. Oh my god, I need to hurry up. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, make sure to give it a like and subscribe, because why not? We're really close to this big extra cool number. Share it with a friend, leave a comment, watch my other videos. Life is awesome. I stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. I will see you next week. Bye bye. Bye, goodbye, goodbye.